Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of another Influenster product that I got, so I'll just jump right into it. Yeah, I'm going to unbox it and use it. So, let me show you. So I was picked for the Dewy Skin Maybelline foundation Voxbox. So here's the box. It's super cute. So inside you get, like always, the little pamphlet. So I got the Master Primer, and I also got the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. So let's look at them. So here is the Maybelline Master Prime, and then this is the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. Oh, my nails are growing out. I know, I'm getting them done this week. This is in medium buff. Don't know if this is my color. It looks a little dark, but you never know. It's like, it always, when it looks like my color, it ends up being too light, and then sometimes it looks like my color is too dark. So I'm still gonna try it and see how it works, and I'm gonna try these both together and do a full face today. I actually wasn't expecting the primer. I thought I was only getting the foundation, but I'm glad they sent the primer. So the primer, I've heard of it. It says it visibly smooths, primes skin with hydration, lightweight formula, and does not clog pores, which is good. And it says wear alone or under makeup for comfortable wear. So I tried Maybelline foundation, but I have been wanting to try it, so I think this is perfect. Like, it's just really good. It comes with a little stopper. I have never seen a primer with this, actually. None of the primers I own have had a little stopper, so I think that's pretty awesome. Okay, so I thought it was going to be translucent, but it is this white color right here, and I think first it doesn't feel silicone-y, which is awesome. Like, I hate that they, like, some primers feel silicone-y. It has a regular primer smell, not really anything different. So let's go in with the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. I already got my wet beauty blender. So let's do this. So the foundation does not have a little paddle, and it is just a regular bottle where you gotta put it on your hand and then onto your face. So I'm gonna use my finger because I know using the beauty blender sometimes it soaks it up. So buff this out, by the way. WrestleMania this year is in New Orleans, so we bought tickets to go. Okay, well, I'm not gonna lie, the foundation looks pretty good. Not completely full coverage, but it definitely does have a nice, like, I like it. Not gonna lie to you, I like it. Like, you can definitely build it up. I don't know if building it up would make it a little more full coverage, but it probably would. But I think I kind of like this where it is right now. It's not really, it's like medium. So you can still see my freckles, but not as prominent as usual. So I really like it. And it's actually a pretty nice fit to my skin tone. Like, it's actually pretty. Concealer next. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick in the concealer in Follow Your Bisque. I love this concealer. So anyone wondering, the baby is okay. I gave birth on February 4th. So he's about a month and change now, which is good. I'm so happy. He actually 6 weeks today. That's pretty much why I've been very MIA on YouTube. But I promise you I'm gonna get back. I'm actually getting back now. I'm doing this video because he's sleeping. But yeah, Ian loves being a big brother. So we're gonna do the triangle. Now I'm going to use, now that we have the concealer down, I'm going to use the exact same one, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick, but it's a contour stick and it is in Oaks on You. I'm gonna use that for my contour. Now I'm gonna take that beauty blender and blend it out. now I'm gonna grab my CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder and I'm going to set my face. Next time you see me, I'll be full face. Okay, so I went and finished my makeup, and everything I used, I will link it down below in case you guys want to use it or see it, along with coupon codes and other things like that, along with my social media. I follow everybody who follows me, so that's such a great deal, right? Anyways, this is the look I came up with, but I do want to say this foundation, I am super surprised. It's a drugstore foundation, okay? I should have looked up what the price is. It doesn't say it on the pamphlet, but it is super good. My skin feels great. Like it feels laid. It's so good. And it just, I don't know, it didn't lift. It's just really good. Along with the primer, I think the duo together is really great. I love this foundation and it might just be my go-to from now on. I don't know, but I really love it. I definitely recommend it. Like, I love the foundation. It's really good, and because I got both of them free for review, I think it's just perfect. I'm definitely gonna be recommending this foundation to everybody. Recommending it. It is such a good thing, and yeah, if you guys don't know about Influenster, I'll leave that link down below as well, so you guys can try things too. I'll leave everything that I used down below in the description box, along with all the other things. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new, my name is Sylvia and I'm an aspiring MUA. I will be vlogging my WrestleMania experience in New Orleans this year, so in case any other WrestleMania fans want to go check it out. So, see you guys next time. Bye guys!